So yeah, right now I'm gonna go meet up with JC and Edwin. We're gonna go to a car meet. I just want to show you guys something real quick. So one of my exhaust tips is actually loose for some reason. This one is sticking out, as you can see, and the other one is like hiding all the way under there. So yeah, so I really need to fix that. Let's make our way to the car meet. We got all the Beamers over here. Alright guys, we made it. So one thing I did find out is my freaking headlight went out. Oh wait, hold up. Let me see if I can fit my hand in here real quick. Yeah. So yeah, it actually, this one is still bright. This one went out. Why the heck? Yeah, you can see that's wet. So I am gonna need a new headlight. Sheesh. So yeah, it is cracked. Sheesh, we got the 300 back in, and we got JC back with us. What's up, guys?
Good to meet you, bro.
What's up?
Yeah, I'll see you around.
What's up, JC? Fuck, my fucking headlight went out. Yeah. No, but look.
Yeah.
There's water in there.
Watching the video today, that show's funny.
Oh yeah, you watched it? No, bro, look, there's literally water in here.
Oh, fuck. Oh, because it just rained.
Yeah. Dude, that looks dumb, huh?
Fuck it. Especially that cheese steak right there. Sheesh.
That's your homie or what?
No, we just met this guy right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But dude, this thing's mint though.
Hey,
This is
He has the
pretty nice.
nicest Z out of all
he has
of
the
us.
same intercoolers I have.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can tell right here. He has the exact same ones. This is nice though.
Yeah, this one is actually nice.
Fuck yeah. Dude, 74,000 miles. That's insane.
Damn.
74,000, and bro.
That's pretty
Dude, and you
good.
got it for 19K. That's a steal. That's a steal. 19K, especially a 5. That's why, especially and 5 steal. That's a steal.
That's why I feel like you're tripping, lucky 7 years for that much.
No, what else?
So you see this shit? Like that shit? Nice, right? But it's not OEM. This is a fucking OEM color.
You know, honestly, bro, we need to do this, and you can see the difference a little bit.
Honestly, I
Oh,
feel
right
like
here.
I'm a painted.
You see it right here.
I'm painted an OEM color, bro.
You should. What color though?
Clean, look at that.
Ooh.
Look that one.
That's nice.
I think one of my next cars, I want it to be a 240.
To drift?
Yeah, drift build.
I want a drift build. I think this thing's gonna be a drift build, to be honest.
That's gonna be fucking sick,
But for
bro.
now, it's gonna be a daily. But yeah.
So you're gonna weld your differential and shit?
Yeah, my homie has front bumper on a
Exactly. You immediately think you're twin turbo.
Those wheels. Just a nice one.
But I don't know why everything is so dark right now.
But it's nice. No.
That's clean.
It's the last time.
Miata gang. And then a 86. And another one. It's cool. Oh, this is FRS.
Your car prices.
Sheesh. No, nice.
Yeah, look. The nose panel. No, it's the carbon fiber. It's made. You think a lot about it. And then he's the one that makes it. Yeah.
Sick.
I like it. It goes like blush.
Hey, if you don't mind me asking, can I ask you, what have you done to it? Because I don't know what this is, bro. This thing's nice.
Yeah, it's a 65 Plymouth Barracuda.
Okay.
It has a 5.7 liter Chevy.
Damn.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to build this?
The owner before did it.
Oh, the owner before did it?
Yeah.
So how much you picked this up for?
Nothing crazy. He was asking like 7,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, what a steal, bro. Congrats.
Definitely didn't buy it for that, but yeah. He was asking 7.
This is nice. So what do you mainly use the car for then?
I want to take it to the drag strip.
Oh, drag, I want to use for drag? So how much is it making to the wheel, if you know?
Right now, I would say just bone stock with the intake manifold and the carburetor, I'd say 275 with 325 foot-pounds of torque.
Damn.
But you can definitely build it, you know, to get 400 or 500.
Still impressive though.
Naturally aspirated. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's still very impressive.
Yeah.
I like this build.
It's really light too. I think it's 2,800 pounds.
It's nice. And you have the little spares in the back?
Oh yeah, those are my other drag radials that I had.
That's your boy?
Yeah.
Dang, this thing's nice too.
Got it coming around. Pretty sick. Oh yeah.
That one's an A though.
Yeah, you can tell.
But it's still beautiful.
That's why I feel like maybe I shouldn't do my, I shouldn't get that spoiler.
Now this is beautiful. Damn. Can you shine some light for me, please? Cause you gotta show them this. Cause oh, that is beautiful. Dang, sorry, I leaned in the guy's car accidentally. That's so nice. Sheesh. What up, doggy? You're so nice. I know I smell like other dogs, but it's all good. Things are nice. It is a beautiful build. You guys ever low-key show this guy some love? This is a beautiful build. Beautiful, beautiful build.
We got the little design.
Yeah, dude, that's dope. Look at that. That's sick. I like this. Is your Firebird? Do you mind me asking you questions about it and like filming? Is that okay with you? Alright, so yeah, basically tell me what have you done to your car and everything, man?
Restored it from the ground up. Got it basically as a rust bucket.
Okay.
Literally stripped it down straight to the metal.
Can you hold it, please?
The whole body, stripped it down. Took the whole interior out.
Record that real quick.
saying that from your, like, you got it from the ground up, restored it?
Got it from the ground up, restored it, sanded it straight down to the metal. Send the bare shell to the paint shop. Took the interior to my upholstery guy. And then ordered all the chroming, all new tires, new rims, new glass front and back, and a couple little accessories.
So how much you say, sorry to cut you off, but how much you say it cost you, like, to build this thing up and everything?
About, I would say like about 12,000.
Dang, not bad. So how much you putting down to the wheel?
Putting down to the wheel, I'm putting 450.
Jeez.
450 with a basic stock 350.
Dang. Do you mind if you pop open the hood for us? Yep, that's good. Thanks, bro. That's crazy. That we have a YouTube channel we're starting off, and we want to like review people's cars and like crazy builds that we do, and we want to like just push it out and give more people exposure, because like again, you don't see many builds like this, especially at the car meets nowadays. There's not that much love in the car meets, so we want to make more bigger awareness that it's not really just having like the most expensive car or the most nicest car. It's like really appreciating a build that starts from nothing and to what it became. So if it's you have TikTok, right?
From the ground up, that's pretty clean. It should be somewhere in here. So that's the silver one. I have them. And otherwise you can grab that one. I mean, we got a right-hand drive over here. Pretty nice. Jeez. Watch out, we got Booty Patrol right here. I love the carbon fiber hood.
I literally just saw it. Like, only Vivi and Nico are using it
All right, guys. So you already know when someone starts eating, the day becomes over.
I'm getting the food coma, bro. Car meet was successful, fun. Had a couple people staring at the Z's. The Z homie that we met left, but it was all good.
Hey, wipe your beard, dude.
Oh, freaky. And the worst part too, you just stared at me, bro. Me. Do you have any more?
You're good.
Thank you.
All right, JC, it was good seeing you again.
What's up?
You're gonna go. I heard you're gonna go get another plate of food.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get another hot dog, bro. I'm fucking starving.
All right, anything you want to say to the channel before you dip?
Hopefully next time we're doing some more driving and not just like chilling here, but fuck it.
All right, see you later, JC.
Speaking about that next video, we might be reviewing someone's car.
So yeah, this is it. That's over. Everyone's starting to burn out the spot, not give a fuck, and disrespect it like always. And the cops are pulling in too.
Bro, this hot dog, dang, look at this.
Shout out to the hot dog makers.
I know, the guy over there, bro.
I don't know what their ad is, but
No, don't leave, look at the opposite, look at the opposite.
oh, yeah.
So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe with our channel. If you like my car, just hit the like button. Like straight up, I know you'll love my car, but if you like that ugly thing, just comment, okay? You don't need to like it. Just comment if you like his car. I know you guys like the Z's. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
And if you like this one,
Oh, if you like this one, subscribe.
and if you like them all, just subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe as well. But if you still want to like and comment, then go for that too. We'll appreciate it. So, see you guys in the next video.